So the Amazon Prime Day sale has started and this is the best opportunity for you to save yourself a lot of money by getting your favorite dash cams. And everybody's favorite is VIOFO dash cams. Well, here's an exclusive deal especially only for Gizmobeep channel viewers and subscribers. This is for a very specific model, that's the VIOFO A229 Plus triple channel variant. So generally the triple channel variant of the A229 Plus came at about 30,000 rupees, but in this Prime Day sale from about 12th of July to up to 18th or 19th of July, this camera will be trending in with a 10% discounted price of 27,000 rupees. That's straight up 3,000 rupee discount on the MRP price of the A229 Plus triple channel variant. To those of you who don't know, the triple channel variant of the A229 Plus gets a dual StarVis2 sensor setup, StarVis2 on the front and StarVis2 at the rear, with the StarVis sensor in the interior camera as well. So this camera shoots a dual Quad HD resolution, front Quad HD and a rear Quad HD with a full HD resolution in the interior camera. That being said, this camera gets all the premium parking monitoring features and all the rest of the important stuff which the VIOFO dash cameras are always known for and are very popular for. So if you are looking for a triple channel dash cam basically to cover the entire surrounding of the car, you have a budget of about 27,000 rupees for the same, I would blindly suggest you to go with the VIOFO A229 Plus triple channel variant because this is the best price you're going to get at any time in the future. Now, that being said, do also note that VIOFO cameras, including this one, carries a full 2-year warranty on a product and of course also carries 1 full year worth of warranty on the accessories. But do note that even the accessories carry 10% discount. So in case if you do buy any accessories with the camera, you will get additional discount. But do note that to get all of this discount, to get all of these important deductions in the MRP price, you need to make sure that you purchase using the link given in the description below and place the order via UPI. So when you place the order, you will probably be paying the full amount and you will get the extra amount as a refund in about 2 to 3 days. But in case if you want to pay only the discounted price and you don't want to pay extra, here's a secret trick. Head to the description, click on my affiliate link and place the order via cash on delivery, that's COD. Once you place the order, you will be contacted by VIOFO on your WhatsApp number, and once contacted by them, you need to pay only the discounted price, that's 27,000 rupees instead of the 30,000 rupees. So you have two methods. You can either directly pay via UPI on the website and get a refund in about 2 to 3 days. But if you don't want to get into that hassle, place a COD order and pay directly to VIOFO once contacted by them and pay only the straight up discounted price and not the full MRP price. So this is a special offer for all Gizmobeep viewers and this is one special dash cam which is coming at an super extreme discounted price which it has never come down up until now. So go ahead and grab this dash cam right now with additional 3,000 rupee discount. This is the biggest discount ever provided by VIOFO on this model and you should not be missing this particular chance. That being said, if this video has helped you out in saving yourself some money and grabbing yourself your favorite dash cam, go ahead, hit that subscribe button of my channel right now, smash that like button and share this video to those who are looking to buy some VIOFO dash cameras with some crazy discounts. Thanks for watching and happy Prime Day sale.